Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to release this video because I don't really give out like not necessarily signals and stuff because I'm not a signal service, right? I don't do this and stuff. But I thought I would give a quick shout out to Total 3, which is the total market cap of crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically every single altcoin, right? We can kind of assume that Bitcoin and Ethereum are in their own league. They're like two blue chip stocks, essentially how you would categorize Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, whatever, right? Last time we actually closed a perfect entry on Total 3 was back here on July 19th, 2021, right? And then you ended up rallying $586 billion worth of collective crypto together. And I think the same thing is about to happen. I think as of right now, as of Sunday, if we stay within the range of 723 and 795 market cap for the altcoins, I think we're going to see that again. I think we're going to end up rallying to a $1.32 trillion market cap for altcoins as a whole, and I think it's going to happen sometime between late March, maybe early April. So if there was any time to get into altcoins, it's probably going to be after this Sunday when the week closes bullish, because I think we're probably going to run hard on altcoins. I'm not saying altcoin season started, because altcoin season is actually pretty ridiculous if we actually get a real one, right? But I can definitely see us running up like an 80% on Total 3, which is just the market cap, right? But so it's not telling us exactly which cryptos are going to run hard. It's just if you have an altcoin, there's a high chance that from here till March, April, it's going to run pretty hard, or it's going to start running hard, right? So if you want to pick some altcoins up, perfect time to get in is probably going to be Sunday at 4 p.m. California time. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.